Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with PressureCleaningschool.com and DougRuckerStore.com, where my passion is to help you new guys getting started in this industry and help you crush this industry. Hey, I get a lot of questions about the Kingslinger 10 gallon per minute pump. And so this is the pump station, but got some videos coming up that's going to show you how far we can reach. Just a couple of short ones, nothing, big, but just want to give you an idea what kind of distance you can get with the Kingslinger. Coming up next. So there you see the compressor that we make available along with the pump station that's got the 10 gallon per minute flow jet pump on it. And most of the times when people order these, we just recommend that they get the compressor on their own. It's one we get from Northern Tool, and so it's a little bit more expensive if we have to, do the ordering from Northern Tool and put the pump station on and all that kind of stuff. The shipping to us, back to you. But anyway, this is the Kingslinger, the pump station, and we're actually only using one valve on this, and we're getting really good distance. If we had the bleach valve open, we'd actually get a little bit more distance, but you can see we're spraying almost 3 stories. And so this is always like any 12 volt or air diaphragm, water booster, gas engine operated, doesn't matter what you operate. This is always going to be dependent upon wind. We have a little wind here, and then the video shots coming up was from an actual school, and it was just a little bit more windier. And I'm just using a 2 gallon per minute nozzle. That's all I ever use. So just wanted to give you an idea of the distance we can get, and hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you hit subscribe and get notifications on these videos.